First little video I want to do is something really simple. It's just a number plate holder, a license plate holder on the back. You've all seen you know, trail bikes, enduro bikes, whatever, with beat up number plates on them, all bent over and mangled, and they look crap. This just keeps it nice and straight and neat and tidy, nice and straight. Maybe it's not important to some. I like a nice looking bike, so that's what I've done. Now, so what I'm using is a piece of polycarbonate. It's possibly known as Lexan. This is just an offcut from a windscreen place. A1 windscreens in Hallam. Good job, buddy. This stuff it's basically unbreakable. This piece was fitted to a bike that pretty much did a cartwheel, and as you can see, there's a few sort of crazes and star cracks in the plastic, in the polycarbonate, but it's intact. It hasn't broken at all. So this stuff is strong. This is the same piece that it was attached to. This piece actually broke away, so it snapped this off before this thing snapped off. So, tracing around the one that I already have. There we go. And it just gets cleaned up with a grinder, Dremel, something simple like that. You've got your piece cut out and to shape. This one is obviously fits snugly around the license plate, right on the edges. It's just a matter of mounting it to the rear number plate, the rear mudguard. Two bolts through there to hold it in. They're the main ones to hold it in place, and then there was another one in down there a bit lower with a countersunk bolt. Just stops it flapping around. Or you can use the 2 bolts on the top and then some silicone on the back just to stop it flapping around. Once that's attached, just bolt the number plate on. That's it. Hope you found that useful. See you in the next one.